Hey guys, it is your girl Burr. What's the word? Have you eaten today, baby? Come and sit on in and have some lunch with me. Today, I got us some hot lemon pepper wings. Also, honey hot lemon pepper wings. Also have a cheeseburger and fries. Honey, your girl is hungry. So let's go ahead and dig in. It's already said my prayer. All right. So, mm, mm, mm. Mm. Go ahead and dip it in some ketchup, because if you ain't dipping, then girl, you tripping. Put a lot of lettuce on this burger now. It's a cheeseburger. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This is the bomb.com, baby. And if you ain't smacked them, girl, what's happening? Don't forget to like, share, and follow. Bye.